My name is Michael Baxley, and I'm the president of Beeline. Beeline sells equipment to assess and correct frame alignment on commercial trucks. To accompany our other equipment, we needed an accurate optical system to allow technicians and customers to see the actual damage to their frame. At the time, technicians were just using photos and a string to show the client the issues with their frame. This process had no metrics and didn't give the customer the appropriate information they needed to make an informed decision. Ultimately, we needed a program that was easy to operate for the technicians. The customer needed to understand the necessary changes and see what had been fixed. When building the product, we thought we considered everything, but we had not considered the power and importance of the user experience. It was clear for this product to be successful, it had to give everyone involved the best information. So we sought assistance with Visual Logic, and that process and experience was beyond remarkable.
Hi, I'm Andy Van Fleet. I'm a partner at Visual Logic. Beeline had a problem that we see often, which is a great product idea, but they hadn't yet focused on user experience. So this new optical frame measurement technology needed to have an intuitive interface so we could submit accurate information to the appropriate users. Our goal was to create a scientific, unbiased recommendation on how to improve this process. First, we started with research and interviews. We call this goal-directed design. Talking with the techs allowed us to learn more about how they needed the software to work. Part of our strategy was also talking with the Beeline business team about their objectives and goals. After these interviews, we synthesized the data of what we learned and began brainstorming on the wireframes, which played out on our whiteboards. Next, we built the wireframe. This is very important as this is the user flow of the program. Many elements go into this process. This is where we begin to design the software flow according to the user's goals we've gathered. But the software also needs to work in the user's environment. For Beeline, we examined the environment where the product would be used in shops. Will it be loud? Are there bright lights in the work area? And what does the color red mean to the technicians? These important nuances all impact the optimal user experience. Before we went too much further, we walked the techs through the wireframe designs and gathered their feedback. This is a crucial step to make sure that we're on the right path with the design, while also gathering more user data. We love this data because it allows us to see what is working and make modifications depending on this user data. Then we take all of our research and build a data-driven prototype. We took this functional prototype and tested it with real users. We recorded the audio from these users while they were interacting with the equipment. This is a feedback loop, which allows us to fine-tune the design. Even the smallest details can make such a big difference in user experience. We approach all of our projects with a goal-directed design. This means we're approaching all design decisions based on how to achieve the user's goals and the business goals, not just reinforce what we think looks good. Making this product better for the end users increases brand loyalty for everyone involved. We're extremely proud to have improved Beeline's great idea. We love what we do, and we feel that our work reflects that.
Concentrating on user experience connected the dots for us and allowed our company to further establish itself as a leader in alignment technology. Visual Logic brought a methodology to our complex software project, and we could not be happier with the results.